single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright, y'all. So we is going where? To the store. To the store again.
I need to go find myself something. You know what I mean? You'll see. We'll take you with us.
And also my teeth did get stained, but I grabbed a paper towel. And now it is halfway white, but a little still blue. But look at my tongue.
So we're going into the mall, y'all. We are going in here to, what's the name of that store? I can't remember the name of the store. But, no, I'm not going to JCPenney's. I'm coming to look for some undergarments. Women undergarments. Getting a little windy out here.
Imagine just meeting Chime D'Amelio here.
Look, they got this half the store closed up or something.
They probably do something. Or they probably do.
Maybe they adding on to it.
Yeah, they added on. See? Yeah, they added on. The nuts. The gross. Remember they were still building that? That was 6 years.
Huh?
That was 6 years.
I don't know.
She called.
Hey. Y'all know if they playing music, I'm not gonna film in the, well, I won't talk if they have music in the store. That's so pretty, look.
I would like to have to, I would like to have
That's pretty. Wonder if they got any more of those left.
That'd be If there was,
They probably don't have no more left. They probably sold out.
Yep. You got his hats from there, but okay.
I'm going that way.
But you were barely. You kept no.
I think this is the direction we need to go.
Oh my
I hope
God.
it is.
Don't look over there. Don't. Oh my God.
Oh, midgets galore. What you called it? What's a snapper?
Oh man. Oh, Animal Crossing.
Huh?
Animal Crossing.
Oh.
Don't. You can't go in there for perfume. Okay.
All right, I won't.
You can't think of any.
This is the store I need to go in right here.
Should he have some apple butter? We only got like 2 more.
Face mask, right?
Yeah, face mask.
I like this jacket. I think I'm gonna come back for it though.
But that's $80.
So,
Oh, this is cute. Burn.
what else? Let me see.
This is
Would you like to round up your change for the Torrid Foundation today?
No, I'm skip today.
That's okay. Cash your card.
Card.
When it lights up, it's ready for you.
Thank you.
I think they can see your phone number. Make sure. Yeah, that's fine.
It doesn't take tap.
It's not on my feet. It might, sometimes the tap is weird. If you have a chip, just insert the chip.
Okay.
Because if I take it too early, then you might be wrong. Oh, yeah. Then I would lost
No, just need your signature on the pin pad, please. And I'll just have you verify your email and pin pad, please.
Car, where you going? Look, hold on. I like the yellow one. Who is that?
That's Animal Crossing. I don't play Animal Crossing. I don't have a Nintendo Switch or yours. Maybe I'm too emotional.
He playing a guitar.
That's a that's oh yeah, that is the guitar.
Huh?
That is the guitar. I'm gonna look at the pockets and stuff. Oh my god. I see. This is my dream fidget.
Girl, you don't know what you like.
I like every single fidget you can think of. This is so big, like look how big. Bigger than my face.
It's a frog.
I know, it's so
You see the guitar and the butterfly. There's a pear.
There's a Hello Kitty one.
I thought you had an ice cream.
No, I don't.
You didn't have an ice cream?
No, I didn't. Alright, hold those.
You never had an ice cream?
No.
Oh, there's a game controller.
Oh, he's a phone.
No, that red one is a game controller. And that's Yoda, the blue one.
Oh, I gotta call someone real quick. Hello. It's Abby. Hello.
Alright, come on.
Maybe I can get it on my birthday. Or I will get it on my birthday. There is no, I will. Oh, oh. How do I look at these?
Cool. I like
I
those.
look like a secret agent spy. Oh.
Come on, we're gonna stay here.
Where? Who? You've been where? Where who?
Come on, let's go.
Ain't bad. They just got like cool things. Like they got.
No, hold on, time out. Okay. I want you to tell me what movie this come from. Anybody know what movie that is?
I'm gonna go inside.
I know what movie this is.
I don't. What movie is that? Conehead?
Who?
Conehead?
Nope.
I have no clue.
Come on.
Oh, Michael Myers.
Oh, look at him down there.
That's Venom. Oh.
Star, was it Aeropostale?
Yeah.
No music playing right now, so we just came in here to see if they had any more like school clothes that we can get. But they still had them in, had school stuff in stock. So they got the pants, high rise 04. That's what we need, high rise 04. High rise 04. Music playing again, sorry guys. Like and subscribe, comment down below, hit the bell to be notified. We just made it home. I brought 2 bras. I'm not gonna show y'all, but one is black and one is blue. That's all you need to know. Goodbye.